When it comes to seeing Europe, a cruise on the Mediterranean should be a top priority on any visitor's itinerary. In this video, we'll be sharing our top picks for the best Mediterranean ports to visit on your next cruise. 1. Barcelona, Spain. Two. Palma de Mallorca, Spain. 3. Marseille, France. 4. Genoa, Italy. 5. Civitavecchia, Rome, Italy. 6. Palermo, Italy. 7. Venice, Italy. 8. Split, Croatia. 9. Athens, Greece. 10. Mykonos, Greece. 11. Santorini, Greece. 12. Iraklion, Crete, Greece. 13. Valletta, Malta. 14. Kusadasi, Turkey. 15. Istanbul, Turkey. Thanks for watching. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video.